Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my favorite recipe of little millet, which is also called Saavaa or Mordhan. This is usually eaten on fast days, but you can eat it anytime because it is very healthy. So let's start. So for two people, we need half a cup of Mordhan, some finely chopped green chilies, some chopped potatoes, clarified butter or ghee, you can also use oil, and some cumin seeds. So first of all, we heat the pan, and in the pan we add around 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm making it on fast day, that is why I'm using ghee. Usually we don't use oil on fast days, but you can use oil, it's your choice. After the ghee is heated, we add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. When they crackle, then we add some chopped green chilies. So here goes the green chilies, and we saute them a little so that they are not very hot. The heat is reduced when we saute them properly. Now we add some peanuts. This will add some protein content to the dish and even enhance the flavor and taste. After that, now we add our sliced potatoes. I keep the peel because I like to add the fiber to my dish, and I like the taste of the peel too. So we lower the flame, and now we will add some salt to it so that the potatoes are cooked properly. So here goes some salt. We mix it well, and we will cover it with a lid for around 5 minutes or so that they are cooked around 75%. After that, now we'll add Saavaa and around 3 to 4 times of water. So now we will cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, here is our little millet ready to be served. So here you can see it looks so delicious. We can garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. And now we can plate it so that we can enjoy it. So here is our little millet recipe. We can add some more ghee for extra flavor.